Hello everyone, this is Gary and today we're doing another life skills video. Now the way in which these videos work is this. There are three sections. This first section gives you a broad outline of the subject and the topics that we'll be covering as part of that subject. The middle section then deals with the meat of the subject, the detail, and I found it best to do that through a series of slides. And then the final section is just a quick summary of what we have covered. Now, in case you miss anything, all the detail that you hear and that you see in this video is also set out in the description box below, and in addition there are some links to other relevant videos. So, having done the quick introduction, let's just get into it.
Okay, so let's get into it. If you are undertaking a course in philosophy, you may well come across the topic of metaphysics. So a little bit about some of the topics covered in that. Essentially, it's all about reality and being. So, if you are covering the nature of reality, some of the topics you need to cover will be teleology, the nature of the mind, identity over time, and of course, free will. Other topics that are critical to getting to grips with the nature of reality include causation, determinism, and the nature of being. Now, my view as to why metaphysics is quite important is that you should include in your study of metaphysics the nature of the physical universe. And that involves elements of cosmology, space-time, and the nature of change, all of which will give you a better understanding of both physicality and of being. And in that context, you've got to deal with the fact that empiricism will generally reject metaphysics. But nevertheless, that doesn't make it worth studying, and I particularly think it's worth studying if, in doing metaphysics, you extend it to cover the nature of the physical universe. Finally then, a very quick summary of what metaphysics tends to cover, and essentially it's the contrast between the nature of reality and the nature of the physical universe. And looking at the nature of the reality, rather of who you are, where you are, the nature of reality will involve a number of topics, from the nature of the mind to the nature of being. And in looking at the nature of the physical universe, you'll be delving into issues like cosmology, the nature of change, and of space-time. And that, in a nutshell, is metaphysics.
Okay, so I hope you found that life skills video useful and interesting. And as I've said before, all the detail which I've covered in this video is also set out to assist you in the description box below, and you will also see a number of links to other relevant life skills videos. Now all that's really left for me to say after that is that if you like this video, please mark it as a like, and if you wish to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. Finally then, let me just say thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.